In this video, we're going to talk about the sum and difference rules for differentiation. Basically, what it says is that the sum or difference of two differentiable functions, what we'll call f and g, is itself differentiable, and the derivative of f plus g or f minus g is just the sum or difference of the derivatives of f and g themselves. So what does that mean? If we have a sum inside of the derivative, we can just take them individually and add them or subtract them as needed. Now, in English, this just means that the derivative of a sum or difference is the sum or difference of the individual derivatives. Examples: x cubed minus 4x plus 5. So 3x decreased by 1 squared minus 4, because we just take the number in front of x, and then the derivative of a constant is just 0. Not too bad, right? What about this? Negative 1/2 x to the 4th, so 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2. X decreased by 1. 3 times 3 is positive 9, decreased by 1. Take the number in front of x, minus 2. Here we've got 3x squared minus x plus 1, all over x. Now, if you hadn't seen this piece right here, you might be like, I don't know, this is not anything we've seen before, right? This is actually a function divided by a function. We haven't done that. But notice that I can just take that, since this is a monomial. Anytime we have a polynomial divided by a monomial, I can just split it up into separate fractions. So 3x squared over x, which is just 3x, negative x over x, which is just negative 1, and then 1 over x is positive 1 over x. So now we take the derivative of this. The derivative of 3x is just 3. The derivative of negative 1 is 0 because it's a constant. And this is x to the negative 1, so it's going to be negative 1 out front, so minus, and then x to the negative 2, right? Because we subtract 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Take it to the bottom. Now, once we have this, we want to put it in, because we started as one fraction, we want to end in one fraction. So we find a common denominator, which is x squared. We get 3x squared minus 1 over x squared. So if you have any questions about sum and difference, please just shoot me a reminder, ask a question in class.